So here's a rear entertainment screen. This is a 720p touchscreen, and what's nice about it is we actually have two functions to this. So the first is our flight information system, if you will. So we actually scratch built the software for this. It was quite a labor of love, but we have inputs from the G3X system that allow us to look at current ground speed, altitude, and outside air temperature. And then when we have a destination waypoint programmed into the GPS system, it'll give us a distance and time remaining to the destination airfield, the ETA, which is local to that destination, the current date and time, which is unavailable right now because we have no GPS position indoors, and then at the top is the name of the destination airfield. The other thing that's kind of cool that I programmed into this is you can see at the top left corner we've got the icon telling you fasten seatbelt, no smoking. What's cool though is if I go on the intercom and I isolate either the pilot or the crew, you can see that that icon changes and now it says that the pilot cannot hear you. So if you're in the back and you're trying to talk and nobody's listening, you look up there and you see why. So the other thing that's nice about this system is if you have an iOS device, you can AirPlay over Wi-Fi to this in-flight entertainment system. So if you, say, download YouTube videos to your phone or iPad or whatever, and you want to watch them on the seat screens, you can AirPlay that in, and then the audio from that will get piped through the audio panel to any headset position that you want in the aircraft as well. So that's going to be great if you've got kids or something in the back and you want to keep them entertained while you're flying. Excellent way to do that.